Sup guys, I'm Lavinesh and this is Project KEBUN. Alright, so today is a big day indeed. Guess who's here? The Backhoe! Yeah, so we're going to do a bunch of stuff and I'm super excited. So yeah, let's get to it guys. So it feels like, because now the guy is coming and loading up here where all the other culverts is, I have to pass him the cable and tie it, hook it up, and then now I'm walking with him to go and put it to the place, try and rush before he arrives there and put the culvert down, right? It reminds me exactly like doing the rhythm work or chariot work, you know, where, you know, the temple, the rhythm or the chariot will go around town, right? And then I will do the breaking coconuts and preparing the tray with the coconuts and the bananas and thing. But yeah, so like that one, you know. So then after prepare one and then Radham is nearby, you have to run across, run to the next station and prepare next one, next tray and all that. And it feels exactly like it. All right, let's continue. Woo! Guys, just had lunch. Okay, we're going to continue with the backhoe work. So guess what part is now? We are going to put a overflow tube, PVC tube, that is miserably failed attempt. Now we are going to try for round 2. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully it works this time. Okay. Alright, we finally put the pipe. It's flowing well. Can you see? So this is overflow one. Earlier we wanted lake water to go into the pond, but then as you know, it didn't happen. It didn't work out. So now what we did is, because there's so much water is collecting on top of in the pond that side, and then it started overflowing and might cause the road to overflow, wash out on this side. So what we are doing now is whatever remainder PVC 6-inch pipes that we salvaged from the earlier fatality. Yeah, so now we are using whatever we left. We're putting it so that if water rises any more than that level, it will overflow like how it's happening right now. All the water is coming out here. So that's what we want. So now we know that if it rains very heavy and all that, by right, there shouldn't be water crossing over the road and coming this side. You know, it will be safe for us to continue going on the road. So now the tractor is going to put back all the soil. And yeah. Yes! Yes!